Hi fam, welcome back to our channel Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and tonight this is a little bit of a different video. I am going to give you a sneak peek of the DIY that I have been working on. Before I get into it, if you're wondering about this clock behind me, yes, it is a DIY of ours. It is a high-end dupe. I forgot who I duped it from, what high-end place I duped it from, but it is on the channel, and it may be on high-end dupes, or it's I don't know, it's clogs or high-end dupes or collabs. I'm not for sure. I can't remember what playlist it's in, but it is in a playlist. Excuse me, and if I can remember, I'll leave it in the description box. Also, as well as the mirror that's hanging up behind me, it is a I think it's in the Trash to Treasure or thrift store. So, and the sneak peek that I'm going to give you is this. This is the sneak peek of the next DIY. Can anyone tell me what they think this next DIY is? Leave me a comment down in the comment area. The reason why y'all have not gotten a video since the last live I did is because all of the excitement I had in that video. And if you haven't seen that video, go see that one and then come back and see this one, and you'll understand what I mean by that. So I have been working really hard on our brand, because if your brand isn't right, nothing else is going to fall into play either. So I took a hard look at our brand. Y'all noticed that I got an intro made for us. So that started it a while back. And the logo that we have, I love it. I have been working on our logo. I have been working on something to tie in with our logo. If there's something that you want me to expand on, then I will. But after this video right here, I have 3 videos that need to be uploaded. Also, leave me a comment down in the comment area. What would be a good day for you guys to probably have a 1.5 or 2 hour live? Okay, so what I want to try to do, I was talking about having a the lives where we can talk to each other, chat to each other, and one of our new family members told me an app that you can get to do that, and I think it was Streamline or something like that. But I also know of Zoom, and I was playing around on Zoom, and Zoom gives you 40 minutes of free time, and it gives you up to 100 people to be on that Zoom with you. So I'm going to see how it works. I know I'm supposed to give you the personal meeting ID, and then you're supposed to call that personal ID, and then I add you in as a contact. So the next Zoom that we have, you should be able to get a ring, which you'll know what time we're going to do it. You should be able to get a ring to know that I am doing a Zoom. And if you want to join into the Zoom, you should be able to call in. And if you're one of the 100 people, first 100 people, you'll be able to get in on the beginning of the conversation. And if one of the 100 people drop off, then another person could come in and come in. So, but anyway, so I'm going to give you the personal ID number, and I'm going to leave this on. I'm going to load this video tonight. I'm getting ready to give you the Zoom thing. So it is 931-871-3479. And I think you download the Zoom app, and when you get ready to make a call, this is the call. So it is over Wi-Fi, so it isn't like a long distance call on your phone. It's over your internet. So it's just worldwide. Again, that's 931-871-3479. Okay. So that's one of the things that I've been working on, the Zoom. And I am going to go with and look at the Streamline as well. But anyway, yes. So I'm going to move out the way so y'all can see what I've been working on. And again, down in the comment area, don't forget to tell me what you think our next Glam DIY is. Leave me a comment on what you think about the video. So guys, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. And when I say that, I truly, truly, truly mean it. So guys, enjoy the video and let me know what you think. Okay, fam, I'm so excited to show you our new logos. That's me as an avatar. We're just waving hi. This is our new logo, guys. You're going to see it better in a few minutes, but now, thumbs up. All right. So we're going to start out with our new logo. And I came up with this. We have the gold scissors now with the black handle. And we have our young lady's hands. And she has the scissors. Now on this one, my face is the D. Isn't that great, guys? So design on the dollar. And our new saying is, you are a crafty diva. And you know what diva stands for? Designer, inventor, vamper, and arranger, or ad-libber. So we're going to change it up a little bit here and there, but that's our new logo, our new saying, you are a crafty diva. Yes, you are. You are a designer. And this is our card. You can't see it that well right now, but you have the hot glue gun with the paper, and that's for DIYs. You have the beautiful home interior for interior designer. You have beautiful vase and flowers for the home decor, and you have the place setting for tablescapes. And now coming up is our new subscribes and what you call them things. Social media. Good God, I'm just coming to blank. Our social media handle things that's going to go in our videos. And so that's what you're looking at. All this right here is basically showing you our different types of advertising stuff that we have now. We're going to show that's for Snapchat, how you can find me, find us. And you know, I just wanted to let y'all see everything that I've been working on, and hopefully that y'all will be inspired by it, or like it, and know that I am trying real hard to revamp us and to make us become bigger and better in 2023. So I love you guys. And our outro, you will hear the music in a little bit, but yes, this is our outro. And then the last thing you're going to see, it will be the where we're going to put our next video. So I love you, I love you, I love you guys. Bye.